Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel because we are in Georgia right now, Mestia, in the Svaneti region. As you can see from the mountains, the horses.
Near the Russia border.
And today we are going to somewhere very special. I have my drones on the back and actually we are going with a 4x4 up to the Koruldi lakes under the mountain, and it will be a nice place to fly. We just arrived to the lakes. You can see on my back. I'm taking my Mavic 4 to create those kind of viral drone shot where there is a hill, the drone climbs and you see the mountain on the back. And since there is a lot of light, I'm gonna use these ND filters provided by Freewell. They also circular polarized. Boom. I scouted a little bit with the Mavic 4 and behind that ridge there is the glacier we're gonna visit tomorrow, so I'm gonna save the 5-inch for that. I'm gonna fly with the Avata and see how cool this place is. The Avata is super capable, but they cock-blocked it to 500 meters. The ridge is 600, so it stopped me mid-flight to tell me no more. That's so sad. I wish there was a way to unlock it. I guess it's time to take out the big guns. I hope I don't lose it because I have better shot for it, but now I'm salty. I wanna cross the ridge up there. I'm gonna use a 2200 milliamps 6S battery. It's the biggest I have with me. I tried optimizing the weight. We have to go, but we have horses that went drinking in the lake. And the trip is over. It was really cool, especially going with the car and the panorama up there. I am sad that the Avata didn't behave because it's like 70% of what a 5-inch does, and it gives you a very strong sense of security because whatever happens, the drone stops, it comes back, but in the end a 5-inch is a 5-inch and it flew just fine, no controls, no high limits. Tomorrow morning we're gonna go to the glacier, which is much better.
Yes, and now it's time to eat.
Now it's time to eat.